Hey guys, this is the Lake Manor 16 by 66. If you're looking for the most affordable single wide that is 3-bedroom and drywall within the state of Florida, this is it. This home is 1,001 square feet and a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom. Let's go take a look inside. Okay, coming inside, you've got 8-foot flat ceilings, overhead ductwork. You have full half-inch finished drywall throughout. Finished drywall is the standard in the Lake Manor series, okay? That's what sets this series apart. Also standard is stainless steel appliances. Now you can upgrade these stainless steel appliances to a side-by-side fridge and you can move to a smooth top stove. But standard, these are the appliances it will come with. It also comes with those white cabinets, okay? Living room, kitchen flows together very nicely. I like how they've positioned the kitchen in this print, all right? Moving into the master, let's go take a look at that. So it's a split floor plan, master on this end, good size master, all right? And then you pass through the master into the master. In the master bath, you have a one-piece shower, okay? Toilet, single sink, all right? And then this is your wire rack back here. This is your closet space, okay? So that's your master bedroom closet. Flowing through to the front of the house, we will take a look at bedrooms 3 and 2. So starting with bedroom 3, you have this hallway that leads into bedroom number 3. Decent sized bedroom, nothing huge. I mean, it's on the smaller side, but it is a 3rd bedroom, okay? Closet, just a simple closet. All right, moving into bedroom 2, a little bit bigger. All right, it spans the full width, so it's a bigger bedroom. And then a closet here, same size as the other, okay? You'll notice you've got this craft trim and base that is standard. So the trim, the hardware, we call this midnight hardware, that's standard. These doors, everything you're seeing here is standard. So the Lake Manor series, it's a simple series. It's the biggest bang for your buck. All right, here's a one-piece fiberglass tub, toilet, single sink. All right, so as far as a drywall home goes, the Lake Manor series, it's everything you need. They limit the options. There are some options and upgrades, but nothing crazy, so you're still getting a quality drywall home without getting into a very high price point. This is the utility room. You've got the washer dryer space here, 200 amp electrical panel there, and an access panel for your hot water tank, okay? So there you go, Lake Manor 16 by 66. If this interests you, feel free to reach out. Thank you.